Alright. So as it gets closer and closer for the release of Cyberpunk 2077, I know all of y'all at home are gonna want to style as Keanu Reeves, rebellious Toshiba laptop, trying to download Dogecoin in the back alley with a cat. You know the Cyberpunk cat? You know what I'm talking about. So if you guys came to this video to learn how to style like that, this is definitely the wrong video. Wait. Before you leave, I have an OnlyFans discount code at the end of the video. If you guys watch till the end of the video, then you guys can get the discount code. In the meanwhile, this video is how I personally style techwear. Alright, so as every single aesthetic, you're trying to nail a certain look. And what you're trying to nail for techwear, for me, is a tactical ninja. You need to be ready to pull out your katana anytime. Those are the vibes that I get with techwear. Now, with this first look right here, as you can see, this is more of a subdued look. This is actually the outfit that I'm wearing. I try to mix styles. So this one I would consider a techwear comfy. The ninja, he just woke up from his nap. He's still ready to go. He's still ready. He rocking the cargos. But as you can see, he's a little comfy. He's a little comfy boy. Now, with this outfit right here, you can see that we're going with a more athleisure type vibe. We going a little bit sporty. He's still a ninja though. He still got the katana strapped. He still got the cargo strapped. The shoes? Strapped. With the zipper. The Nike Academy Prestos. Just look at the vibes. Right here, look at the vibes. Alright. Now with our third outfit, we got a mixture, a little weird one. I tossed in a little weird. I don't know. But as you can see right here, laying right above me, is the little, he's even more comfy than the start. He still got the cargos, he still got the athletic leisure type vibes, but he's comfy. He wears a pillow on his body. He could take a nap, but with the katana. Stay strapped. Honestly, for techwear, I just center it around the cargos. The cargos are like literally the most important part. You need to look like a ninja. You need to have pockets for your USB, your jewel pod, your anything else. Alright, now you guys understand a little bit into the world of donkey techwear. That's what it's called, donkey techwear. It's your boy, Donkey. And I know you guys like the fits. And if you don't, that's cat. You're sus. Because they're fire. Now, here I present you a donkey mood board of donkey techwear. Enjoy. Now you guys made it to the end of the video. I know you guys did because you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed my knockoff discount code type, bootleg type of a frugal aesthetic video, follow me on Instagram at HiI'mDonkey. And if you guys want that exclusive OnlyFans content, follow me on Twitter at Dismos1. It's not OnlyFans. I tricked you. I lied to you. I'm an imposter. Yeah, there's no discount code. There's no OnlyFans. It was all a lie. I'm actually an imposter, and I just got voted out. Peace.